On the 23rd of January 2026, may the first part of this particular story, Ebra, why we may see Biano, yeah, the link no to comment section, but from that story no, and now I babedu some pempesui, and just on the 21st of July 2026, Accra High Court the order a buyer, so Monko and Concoje, Freedom Jacob Caesar and Nana Kwame Bediako, a property, I actually D number 1 Oxford Street, everything free the same. But Nana Kwame Bediako say, hold on. You want one action. I be take Mood win Genesa. I go since 24. Let's go. So be near subscribe button so no work like a bell notification icon. So now make out say Las Palmas Food Center. As it's all year event, be say a birthday party, say a outdoor, say a engagement, say a wedding, say a year na birthday, say a get together, be na more year. Send some more office. And I'm up say yeah, the lunch and as a branch a bremo. Contact Las Palmas for our numbers and that screen is no. Ubetumi afa and aso wa from and found the budget no and then found the event and kese and I said neketwa and then found the location of the event. Las Palmas for a best sort of numbers no and that screen is no. And TSL Command no. It was on the 23rd of January 2026, exactly 6 months ago to the time I recorded this particular video. I 23rd of July 2026. And here this story be bro about Nana Kwame Bediako and friend Freedom Jacob Caesar. So Samatono, now Samatuni no esteme from a partnership on a paper friend Mr. Azad Kula Ekoye to complete a building is you so I friend number 1 Oxford Street. Now the backstory no and it said Nana Kwame Bediako and Mr. Azad Kula a collaborate here. Our mayor partners, our company a friend of Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited, right? No more created our company no. Omo call IFC honomo ekoko J Bosia to complete the building yet to the number 1 Oxford Street no. I wo osu e mountain so no. No omo complete the building we no. Emre kwa nanim no Mr. Azad Kola e dia asema akoko dan UK aban e UK court say ne partner oh Nana Kwame Bediako eni no endi ye e wo saa partnership no moko ye mu na e ka bab da ho e ma che se onu papa no e na wo se okotua ka no na saa me wetua ka na wie into your judgment from UK court no say obetumi akọ no akọ sika no e di efi Nana Kwame Bediako on person obesori efi ni pem akọ sika no meka cho se Nana Kwame Bediako e fa lawyers e wo UK ho Emma Chese, edu ejie no na lawyers na twem ho afi asem no na se lawyers ni asem no biom na Nana Kwame Bediako e na dise ono nko ejina asem no mu UK but asem no ko na we ye wo UK ho no no na judge o tena asem so wo UK ho no award judgment no say Mr. Azad Kola ye CEO of Kola Holdings Limited en konko gini sika enfenfin ne partner Nana Kwame Bediako ho se wa ma Mr. Azad Kola no aboka bosi omoko giye wa AFC no Mr. Azad Kola nko na etua Enti court ne awarded a judgment of $14.9 million US. Emma me catch am say Mr. Azad Kola at the judgment ni free UK. Emma be fa lawyers wo Ghana ha say. Emma mo kopie mu Accra High Court. Emma lawyers no the judgment ne kwa Accra High Court ma Accra High Court agi tu mu. Say samre o betumi a enforce judgment no e wo Ghana ha say. Emma me catch am in that particular report open full explanation link no and ye pin wo comment no me catch am say Nana Kwame Bediako I record the video o chem say hwe Mr. Azad Kola isika ye opeso be gifi on Nana Kwame Bediako yi on tiase omo ye partners no muko business mo Mr. Azad Kola kroyai o into galam say Mr. Azad Kola kroyai on Nana Kwame Bediako na ko oil business mo oil block no document bi akita Mr. Azad Kola no tiase say sambe o ye the opeso yi but ensi e wo Ghana ha say because Ghana ha emra wa ha ensi
na kosi broni kra no aban inu bejaye nkwaso msem na nka me de nka me fahin na me kodi obi ka 14.9 million sika no odi ma ya na ba Ghana na abeto Bank of Ghana na abeto account na ifri na enti obi anso entimi anhwehwe sika kro na wo ka na chikwan se ifri na beto me na chese muti Nana Kwame Bediako na abaye amaisem se medika awana mkote nika mohwe adwuma ameye da amesisi se bi ka kro mo kai so obi kra ti kra onim se abofo abon humode enya de a so de ka se ya wontimi ntua nemom enya ne nokre enti na amama eto na mo se meka Na kenya de kra nka me bie ma no wase wem. Na so no obi e company 50-50. You own this company with a foreigner. And then you both own a debt on the company. How then can one person turn this debt to become my personal debt? And after they hold every single document for the business, which is worth times for the debt, you have already a collateral. And you need to discuss with me because I've also paid debt here. Let's talk like business people. But how did it become Nana Kwame Bediako? Oh, it's a company. Companies owe. Ghana, countries, they owe. The Dangotes, they owe. America, they owe. But not to say that I have a debt that I'm running away from. I don't. I have not been handed any money of such. And I have proof. Media, please. How long would you keep destroying your... I mean, the common sense is there. Where is the judgment? Where is the trace of what so-called money that you say I owe from England judgment? Sure. Mumbra. Ghana too, we have laws. We have judges. We have a judiciary system. And so you cannot own a company and then go and take a judgment against your own company without you telling them the truth that you're 50% owner of the company. Then how did you forge those indemnity documents with my signature? So it's like I have borrowed money from you. I haven't. That's the proof. I haven't. And so callers should come and prove to Ghana that they've given me this money. If there's no proof, who sign pay why you forged documents say judgment debt from your London Eddie Babaji or Ghana? Hey, also what about the fire sassy waha? To move go that say you swear you have no man in a call. So okay, say me a campaign no make a chiremo say Galamze no and ya dear and yet to say ye pet and a ye. There is more to it. And these are some of the things. The same company that is claiming this judgment that I own an oil block with them. Please, maybe some oil block with me shares one. Oh my fa. Now who kwasi broni je so who deep bini ba kokra. Who say kura. Who kura papers for the business worth over 60 million of what you're claiming and you inflated. And yet you still want to come for me and come for every single thing I owe. There you. Yeah, yes, this will not happen in Ghana. There is law in this country. I would dictate my own history and let you remember that there was a man that came and he stood and he fought and he won. My name is Nana Kwame Bediako.
Fast forward to 21st of July 2026. Now Mr. Azad Kola actually say hey, or say judgment na high court na man no kwan so betumi enforce no. O moving forward. Na okokwa G assets say ono Kola ene Nana Kwame Bediako eye partners a omu create ye no, which in this case number 1 Oxford Street no. Na so betumi ayesa o ya obi a obetumi receive assets no e wo Ghana ha sei na wahwe so e di ama no. It's Mr. Azad Kola appointing Mr. Ni Amano Dodo. Now, Mr. Ni Amano Dodo, wa woni ni bia no, wa on family for ye djuma on KPMG for ye djuma for bebe over 15 years any ade. What you say a Unibank case be kra no, now you involved as a witness in the kaka ho, you know, or you be a finance and accounting industry no ma, or you done right into no. And Mr. Azad Kola through Kola Holdings Limited appointing no. So no, and obey receiver, no as a manager of number 1 Oxford Street Hotel no. Now before so bet me aye no, I was say kwa emrim. Intende Mr. Azad Kola ekokofa lawyer Chachuchi Kata as the lawyer. Emma chese or the application ekokoto Accra High Court enim. Says Amri court no, Ghana court ajatum. So judgment also enforce judgment no. Na judgment no opeso proceed no akokwa ji ejapade wi efi Nana Kwame Bediako because sika no onim se ne beba na so o kire na beba no fa ntene ka no What is it? Into the application got two courts in the and Nana Kwame Bediako through Kensington Partners Limited one no and so FI lawyers. There's no the lawyers no lawyer Bobby Banson and I said Nana Kwame Bediako call the firm muko file more as lawyers our Bejidemu and one Nana Kwame Bediako. Assembly Court Fako Fabano, then on the 21st of July, Accra High Court, a commercial division and the judgment aba. So we here lawyer Chatutiketa, just so Jim Makola Holdings, and Mr. Ni Amano Dodu, Assem. And I wait here, Nana Kwame Bediako, and the Kensington Residential Partners, One Limited, and so Assem. Now, Otie, you know, the judgment, and as I knew, other bit to be the aba, and they say, Osre. Or my warrant, sa police for Mwa no monche, Makola Holdings Limited. And any Mr. Ni Amano Dodu. Enko no mugo take you over number 1 Oxford Street no. Omonko no mugo take you over. In the end, the order Efi Accra High Court Commercial Division buy no. Tintin na ne sesamri. Omo de sa property no. Ma Mr. Azad Kula. Na inipo abehwe property ni so e Ghana ha sei no. Mr. Ni Amano Dodu. Enti a police for encam ho no munko take over sa property no. De we chire bia no. Mr. Ni Amano Dodu Nicola Holdings Limited no. Omo masem. Enti sa ruling efi Accra High Court on the 21st of July 2026. Na no Nana Kwame Bediako enso the response aba media ne so. And then 23rd of July 2026. Ochimu se we who the equals social media so nyina say Kola Holdings appointee a receiver or in the person of Mr. Ni Amano Dodu omako court akwakwaje court or don bebe take you over any ade on beso mo chance ba akumienu mo kaka dey be kind and say sa hotel yi omo bie in the year 2019 but before say ombe bie no kwa na covid aba enti affect omo trading no ama chese na omu ntumi entua bosi omoko free IFC no eho what I say Kensington Residential Partners One Limited and omu C sa building no na ojitu mu say on Nana Kwame Bediako and Mr. Azad Kula and omu ye two directors of Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no in the financial constraint bia COVID-19 de buy bia no Mr. Azad Kula e privy to and no tin omu ntumi entua IFC bosi ano na emra omuni IFC AD komo se na ebe ya ombe restructure loan na omukoko ye free IFC one. Mr. Azad Kola through the Kola Holdings Limited no eba be informing Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no say wetu aka no bosi na omukoko je wetu se na omo ho tira mo enti na no mu to be chan ba no kwa de we kotua through Kola Holdings Limited, no mokokotia. No mokokotia ye no. Enti no, or expect to say Kensington Residential Partners One Limited. Ebe tia ne ka. Because ye ka na omienu ka. Na so send your own to meet na homa IFC take action bia anti omunti na mokokotia. Na as director no, Mr. Azad Kola, na ke was say or informing company no. In this case, Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no. And sana so betua kabia yokokotia ba wa anya sa. Why inform me Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no. Why inform you? In this case, Nana Kwame Bediako person say Mr. Azad Kola no take action no on his own. Wambo on Nana Kwame Bediako no amanye. Though omienu near directors of Kensington Partners One and as a Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no. Mr. Azad Kola and bomb amanye. And no kwa take his action. No when say action na Mr. Azad Kola take here no. E senior beya obenya profit e dia man ho. Now so best summary Mr. Azad Kola to be provide evidence bia say ampa IFC Bosiano we kokotia. Let me see wait a minute. This part of the press release no. It raises a lot of questions. Doesn't mean say Nana Kwame Bediako person just say, Mr. Azad Kola, before so benya judgment in every UK court no. Our documents on file with UK court no. When proved sufficiently before the court no say ampa with your loan nana and the abandon say na UK court no. awarding the judgment no. And I'm sure say application be that Ghana High Court name in the first place no. Ghana High Court be go through all the documents are a free UK proceedings near there lawyers no be debate or court on. So was there no such evidence in court and a Ghana court so a granted judgment a approved judgment nana. Then it will raise a lot of questions in the UK justice system as well as the Ghanaian justice system. And it will be more worrying for the justice system here. So what I say? Because Nana Kwame Bediako kase o say to date, neither Azad Kola nor Kola Holdings Limited has produced any evidence that the IFC loan was in fact repaid. Then how did they award the judgment in the first place? And how did the court in Ghana enforce the judgment? Regardless of this, no, this evidence any available, no. Kola Holdings, aqua apply and oma obtaining an order. Say omo bepe receiver, which in this case omenya receiver no in the person of Mr. Ni Amano Dodu. And the son no and obebe take it over. Now order no grantee on the 21st of July 2026. Say the be police for be assist Kola Holdings, no more take possession. But omo can who say order no ebe take effect after 7 days into 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. 28th whole corner. And order no be take effect because omo 7 days window. Say if you more objection be and I say be metumi aye. It is a period no expire in term obi ankoka. Say na Kola Holdings be take you over Oxford Street number 1 Oxford Street in na there e obi ankasa. Because Oma instruct omo lawyer say omo appeal sa decision no. Sa decision e free high court aba no omo appeal. No omo file application say na be prevent Kola Holdings from taking over number 1 Oxford Street no. Eti kopim say courts, appeal courts be determine sa application no. And as appeal courts decision be bad there. Kola Holdings ain't taking over number 1 Oxford Street no. Na Kola Holdings the kind file 2 applications answer. A high court no dismiss here. And a fresh decision way aba. It is our fresh decision way there. Omo appeal. Omo appeal. Omo file appeal. Omo go so. Na odwin wo bia no ntia say Kola Holdings no. I say opese. Osi we tua bosia no e de ama IFC. Enti oje bosia no a we tua de ama IFC no. Efi Nana Kwame Bediako no mo. Asa so age e de efi Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited no. Onu Kola Holdings no a partner of. Enti I say oje kano from 2 bodies. Baako from Kensington Residential no. And a baako so from Nana Kwame Bediako no. So what I say? Nana Kwame Bediako person say, Mr. Azad Kola a part of Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited no. It is Oje Kana. It was so Oje Kana free Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited no. If indeed we check Kanama IFC 4. Nana Kwame Bediako ne doubt it. Because I say Mr. Azad Kola evidence beyond by a tracer. Now, Mr. Azad Kola urges the free Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited one. Or so aje. BF you no Nana Kwame Bediako no ho. See, or say it is notable that Kola Holdings Limited is separately seeking to recover the same sum which it claims to have paid to IFC from Nana Kwame Bediako personally in parallel proceedings. Kola Holdings Limited is therefore pursuing recovery of the same amount from Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited and Mr. Bediako individually. No more in say Court of Ghana able to near permit ama Kola Holdings aye ye sa omo jindi. Se public in it say na Oxford number 1 Oxford Street omo beje if Nana Kwame Bediako say mama je fi the same Sam ye Kola Holdings so omo chi break asem no de kwa appeal. Kopem say court be determined there on jindi say Ghana court crab yesa asem no appeal I got 624.